Well, hello again. Here's a little advice. When going to the casino, don't bring no money with you because you're not going to get nothing back. I'm just saying. Dummy me, my son Wes said, okay, mama, here's 10 of your dollars. Take the 10 and I'm going to hide the rest. I said, well, give me my money. I ain't going to spend all of that. I didn't have much, you know. Well, I brought my money. And you pass the little machines and they talking to you. Play me, play me. And they have all those little sounds and it sounds exciting. Well, that's the devil. Temptation. You put your money in there and it sucks it right up. And you don't get nothing back. I tell you what, from now on, I'm not going to bring me no money over there. I'm going to just drink all the free drinks, pretend like I'm playing, and laugh at all the other people. It's not even funny. But I had a good time with my son-in-law and my daughter. It was nice. Got out the house. They got out the house. They even fed me, so my belly was full. So I got nothing to complain about. Next time, though, I ain't bringing my wallet. Okay, bye.